Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create construction line. Construction line is called infinite line. Basically, construction line when much more dimension we get the offset and uh, find out. So use for construction line just like 50,000 dimension you can calculate, make the area just like plant layout I have go to create. So possibility when I create the infinite line, so that's why when I go to create infinite line, here the infinite line, so you draw and enter, go to infinite line, construction line called here. This is infinite line and construction line. When I click the construction line and make this here, this is anywhere to move because not the orthogonal. So when I get the ortho, it is create horizontal and it is create vertical. Then after I will provide the 10,000 to 20,000 distance. So get 20,000. When I go to offset, here offset, then provide the 20,000 distance, it is called 20,000. So it is very large distance because they are not confined to easily. So this is very importance for here. Look at this is 20,000 distance between. When again show you here, also we will provide now. This is again go to offset here. When I click the offset, this is offset. When I provide the distance, how much distance we will go to, so 10,000 I will provide and click this enter and go to offset, then enter here. Then after select this all component. When this is the infinite line, but they are not the ending, but this is only for the 20,000 and 10,000 distance is here. So this one is possible for only infinite line, construction line. Otherwise the line has not the zoom in and zoom out, it's a big problem. So when I will use to always construction line in one time to create in large distance between make the any line. So this is make infinite construction line here. And if I want to go to another way in offset command, so I will go to use here this selection and I will go to offset command here. Then I will provide the 5,000 distance between 50,000. So enter the 50,000 also and go to click here. So 50,000 is much more I think because they are large distance is 50,000. But look at this here, this is the 50,000 distance. So it means I will show you this line is main purpose. This is the infinite line and you do work is many large distance from easily and draw the any distance. I will go to 10,000. So when I provide the 10,000 is here and inner side. So this is 50,000 between 10,000. So like it's a very easy to make the diagram around for construction line. So when I click trim here, so TR enter and go to trim, they are easily trim for all line here. Look at this. So it means very useful for construction line in AutoCAD to create the large distance and find out the central construction line for any large diagram presentation. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe our channel.